All right, you guys, y'all see where I'm at now. I am at my refrigerator slash raised bed. And you can see over here we got some cucumbers that are coming in. It hasn't filled up the way I really wanted it to, but I noticed that a lot of the trellis areas, they didn't do the cascading thing as fast as I thought it would this summer. But you know, every year is different, so I'm just happy with what I get. So here's one dangling down, and there's another one over here. Oh, look at the little ladybug. Oh, is she a ladybug? And I think these are kind of overdone, but that's okay. I will juice them. And we got a few back here, so I have to get behind it. Make sure we ain't got no snakes over here. Oh, we got something on the inside too, you guys. Oh, and I see some of my cantaloupes are in the inside, you guys. It is actually a few of them. I gotta bring you guys a close-up. All right, you guys, hold on. I think I see another one. I see another one. Hold on. Ooh. Okay, you guys. So that is my harvest from my refrigerator slash raised bed. Not bad, you guys, not bad. It's a good thing when you could harvest your groceries out of your refrigerator. All right, you guys, this is SEK. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed this grand harvest. I will see you guys really soon. Thank you so much. Make sure you guys thumbs up. Please thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm. Please thumbs up. I know things are slowing down on YouTube during the summer months, but please keep those thumbs ups coming in. SEK will see you guys real soon. Peace.